Hi, I just wanted to talk about how easy the ir on infinitive practice Quizlet is. They are going to go. Van a ir. So I have that correctly written now. Let's say if I incorrectly write it. Van a va. So I have that incorrect.
Van, B-A-N-A, ir.
So it'll
Van a
show
ir.
you. And then it'll have you retype. Van a ir. So this is practicing ir plus a plus infinitive.
Vas a llegar temprano.
She tells you what it sounds like. Vas a llegar temprano. So this is saying you are going to arrive early. So maybe you don't understand her as well, but you can look at the English. So you are going to arrive early. So this is practicing your vocab for your
Voy a
infinitive
comer.
quiz. Voy a comer.
Va a presentar un examen.
So this is in our canvas, okay? And
Vamos a tomar apuntes.
vamos a tomar apuntes. So I'm going to go back home and I'm going to show you the other practice. So this is all about ir on infinitive. The next one that we work on is all about going to places and mixing in the ir on infinitive. So avancemos uno, and this is January, so we're going to go down to February. So this is the one I just looked at. Here's ir all, a la, and ir on infinitive practice. So with this one, we can practice this way. I go to the beach. Voy a la playa. We go to the beach. Vamos a la playa. Or we can choose a different study mode where we have maybe spell. That's probably going to be the most beneficial. I go to school. Voy a la escuela.
Van.
And she does say it, so you get
Voy
to
a
hear
comer.
it. So let's say I don't spell this right. Comer. How about I spell it wrong? What does it do?
Voy. B-O-Y-A. Comer.
It shows me.
Voy a comer.
And then I have to retype it when I get it incorrect, okay?
¿A dónde vas después de la escuela?
This is a very long question. Let's see. How do you get the special characters? Here they are. Like that. Oh. So you can use those. Let's type that. ¿Dónde vas? Después de la escuela. Now, this is a very advanced sentence. It's asking where do you go after school. We could retype that one
¿Qué
a
vas
couple
a hacer
times.
este fin de semana?
What are you going to do this weekend? So this is again another advanced sentence to spell and write out, but it's very good practice. So let's see if I get this wrong. Okay. How do I do that? Hit next.
¿Qué? Signo de cierre de interrogación. U-U-E con acento.
Yeah.
Vas a hacer. ¿Qué vas a hacer este fin de semana?
Gotta have my question mark because it's asking what are you going to do. So again, this is just a really good practice. Some of them are more advanced, so that's okay. But again, this is going to help a lot with hearing it,
Vamos.
seeing it, and writing it. And then you have these mixed in, which is great practice as well. Okay.
¿A dónde vas los fines de semana?
So here we go. I'm going to stop this, and actually I'm going to take you back out. I have to find it again, friends. So here's the video that goes over everything with practice. Here's ir on infinitive practice. Here's ir all, a la, and ir on infinitive practice to help us with the quiz later. Okay, thank you.